Good evening, everyone. Today we will see how to create Lightning app in Salesforce. So, what is the application? Generally, application is to automate the business process. It contains some features. Software applications automates the business process. So, what are the different kinds of applications available in Salesforce? What type of applications are available in Salesforce? There are two kinds of applications available in Salesforce. One is standard application. Second thing is custom applications. These two kinds of applications are available. Standard applications are provided by default. Custom applications are created by administrators or developers. Here in the standard application, we can't delete the application. One. Standard applications, we can't delete standard applications. Custom applications, these are created by us. These are created by developers or administrators, can be deleted. We can delete. These differences they ask in interview. What is the difference between standard applications and custom applications? Here in standard applications, we can't delete any features. We can hide features. Here we can do anything. You can delete features. Here you can add additional features. Here also we can add additional features. You understand, right? What is adding? Deleting deleting features means, for example, you have in the application we have these charter, campaigns, leads, accounts, all these things. This is the standard application. This application is provided by Salesforce. All these are standard applications provided by Salesforce. You can hide these features, but you cannot delete these features. If you want to add anything new, you can add. In custom applications, you can delete this. If you might have created cases tab, you can delete that to tab. But in standard application, you cannot delete. If you want to hide it, you can hide. If you want to add any additional features along with these tabs, there are some 1049 tabs are available or objects are available in Salesforce. If you want to add any additional tab, you can add it. In custom application as well, you can add anything, any additional tab. If you want to add any other tab, you can add it. These are the two types of applications available in Salesforce. One is standard application. You can take the standard application and you can customize it. You can clone that standard application and you can make changes to that. We have, let us assume we have entered into insurance business. For this business, we want to create our own application, our own custom application we want to create. For this, what is required initially? When we are creating any application, first we will draw. We will go for functional design. The functional design, first we create what are the outlook of our application. What is the user interface of our application? For that, we need to have few tabs. Here, this is the application. In this application, first we have to discuss about, we have to write our tabs information, which tabs we want, which objects we want, which tabs are objects we want. We draw that objects. So insurance companies will have branches in different locations. It might be in different countries, different states, or different cities. First thing is branch object. We need to have a branch object. Then we will have employees in the organization. Then we need employee objects to store employee data. We'll have some agents to explain about our policies. And we'll have policies. We'll have different policies. Then we have some conditions, terms and conditions. Condition object. Then we'll have customers. Whoever buy the policy, they'll have customer object. Then customers pay premiums. For that, we need to generate receipts. Premium object is there. Then after taking insurance, for damages, we need to pay claims. We need a claim object. These are the different objects are required for implementing, for building insurance application in Salesforce. So now you have objects. These objects are nothing but tables. Data is stored in these tables. So how you will manage objects contains records. Objects contain records. As a developer or end user enters records in the tables. When end user enters data from UI, from there records will be stored in the objects. We have to manage those records. How we will manage those records? We might need to enter branch name, or we have to enter contact details, or we have to enter branch address, branch name, branch contact details, that means phone number. The branch object, we have to enter branch name, branch address, branch contact details. How we will manage these things? By using a tab. Tab is collection of graphical user interfaces. by using which we can manage the record. If you want to enter data, if you want to enter details, then you need to use some graphical user interface, right? How you will use that graphical interface? In the accounts tab, if you want to maintain records in the account tab, you have to go to accounts tab. In the accounts tab, here, if you want to enter new record, you can click new and you can enter record details. That means when you click new, it has opened one a graphical user interface to enter the details. If you want to edit the record, it has opened one more graphical user interface. Within the accounts tab, there are multiple graphical user interfaces. So it is a collection of graphical user interfaces by using which you can manage the record. Managing the record means creating the record, editing the record, deleting the record, undelete the record, or you can view the records. That is nothing but manage the records. Those 5 types of operations you can do in the tab. By using tab, you can manage those records. For each object, there is a separate tab. We have discussed this in the previous classes, right? We need user interfaces for all the objects for different operations to create, edit, delete, undelete, and view the records. These user interfaces are nothing but tabs. For every object, you need corresponding tab to manage the records. This is the object, branch object. For this, you need a tab. The tab name is branches. For employee, tab name is employees. For agent, tab name will be agents. For every object, there will be corresponding tab to manage the records in the object. Conditions. Customers. Premiums. Claims. For every object, there is corresponding tab. Object is singular, tab is plural. So we can say combination. Combination or collection of tabs is application. Tab is collection of graphical user interfaces. Application is collection of tabs. Then what is object? Object is collection of records. So at the higher level, we have application. In that application, we have multiple tabs. Under the tab, we have object. For each and every tab, there is an object. Each object is collection of records. This is the concept we have to remember. Application, tab, object. When we will create a tab first, whenever we are creating the application, we start with tabs. We start with tabs. So here we can see in the app launcher, we can see all the applications. These are the standard applications, different standards applications provided by default by Salesforce. By using these standard applications, you can customize these standard applications, or you can clone these standard applications, and you can create custom applications from the standard application, or else you can create your own application from the scratch. Here we have taken sales application, we have changed name and we have changed logo. That means we have taken the standard application and we have customized it. We have not created from scratch. This HDFC sales we have created, you might have practiced this as well. That time we have taken existing standard application and we have customized it. The standard applications have some set of features. Sales application is to automate the sales process. Marketing application is to automate marketing process. Service application is used to automate service process of the organization. Like this, there are multiple standard applications are provided by Salesforce. We can create our own custom applications. It might be banking or e-commerce, finance, insurance, any kind of application as per our business requirement, we can create the custom applications. Only two people can create the applications. One is Salesforce administrator and another person is Salesforce developer. We create the applications as administrators and developers. Other people, who are the other peoples? End users. There might be partners, customers, or employees of the organization. End users uses the application. So we have different kinds of editions, right? We are using currently free developer edition. By using free developer edition, you can create a maximum of 10 custom applications. If you want to create additional application, you have to create another developer edition and you can create other applications. For single free developer edition account, you can create 10 custom applications. For enterprise edition, you can create maximum of 200 custom applications. In unlimited edition, you can create unlimited number of custom applications. These limitations, creating 10 custom applications, creating 200 custom applications, in Salesforce, these limitations are called as governor limits. In interview, every interview, it is the question, what are the governor limits? They ask this question. Right now, this is the limitation for free developer edition account, we can create 10 custom applications. This is the governor limit of free developer edition, but we don't say about this free developer edition in interview. We will discuss more about governor limits in the next sessions. That time we will understand what are the governor limits. For right now, these limitations can be called as governor limits. You can just remember this point. Whenever they ask what is application, application contains set of tabs which provides various user interfaces. This, by using these user interfaces, we can manage the application. We can manage organization data. We can manage business specific data. There are two kinds of applications available: standard applications and custom applications. Standard applications are the ready-made applications provided by Salesforce by default. Custom applications are created by administrators and developers. You can add additional enhancements, remove any applications in the custom applications, but in standard applications, you cannot remove the standard features of the applications. You can hide the features. So whenever you join in the organization, once your onboarding formalities are finished, your HR team will take you to project manager of. I think we have lost the connection.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Just now there is some internet problem, I think. So I am explaining about after you join in the company as Salesforce admin or developer, HR team will onboard you. After that, they will introduce to project manager, and project manager introduced you to team, and they will allocate project to you. After allocating the projects, they will give access to your Salesforce account. Oh. Now you can see screen, I think.
Yes.
What you have to do is, you have to understand what is your project. Means its name, client location. First step, you have to understand this. They will give access to your Salesforce account. Then you log in into the application and check what are the applications available in the org. And check what are the different tabs available in the application. And check objects. Understand the features. And you have to understand flow of the application. As soon as you get your Salesforce access, you have to understand this. So we will see now how you have to do. First thing you do is go here and see view all. You will have access to this, and you can see what are the applications are available here. Here, there is a difference between app launcher and app manager. In two ways, we can see the applications. One is app launcher and second thing is app manager. In the app launcher, whatever the access you get for applications, you can see only those applications only. If you get access for 10 applications, you can see only 10 applications through app launcher. But if you go to app manager, you can see all the applications. In the app manager, can see all the applications. Whatever the applications available in the organization, you can see all the applications. Here in app launcher, you can see only those applications for which you get access based on your profile, user profile. That profile things we will discuss later. So this is the app launcher. You have seen applications. See how many you get? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 12 applications you can see here. Go to app manager. If you go to app manager, the quick find, you type app manager. You can see more than 12. Here you will get number. 19 items are available. Here you can see all the applications. So now we will create our own application. How to create our own application? We will see now. For that, we will take some use case. We will create one application called Story Plus. This is the application. This is the application name. Who is the client for the application is? Client name is Marc Incorporation. Marc Incorporation. He is located in some USA or somewhere. This is a pharmaceutical company, pharmaceutical manufacturing company. They are into pharma domain. Your project will be in pharma domain. Your client is Marc Inc. They are located in USA. We will create an application with Story Plus name. These people have R&D centers in different countries. They have branches, R&D centers, research and development centers. They have R&D centers in different countries. Through these R&D centers, they are doing research on different diseases and they are coming with formulas and manufacturing medicine. They have division for people and they have division for animals, veterinary division they have, both they have. After manufacturing the medicine, they have to market their products. To market their products, it is not like conducting campaigns through stalls or events. They have some medical representatives. Those medical representatives will take appointments with doctors and they will explain about the formula and the medicine. Along with this, they will offer some samples, free samples to the doctors. So doctors will prescribe those to their patients. After usage of that medicine, they will observe the patients, how this is affecting. Then they will give that feedback to these medical representatives. These medical representatives will send this feedback to R&D team. As per their feedback, they will improve the quality of the medicine. This entire process we have to automate, this feedback process. For that, we are creating an application with Story Place for our client Marc Inc. We will see practically now how to create that. How to create that application, we will see practically. Here, go to new Lightning app. First, you go to App Manager. Here, you click on Setup. In the quick find, you write App Manager. Open that App Manager and click on New Lightning app. Here, enter your app name. Marc Story Plus. Developer name automatically it will give. Enter description here. It automates pharma products feedback. Means doctors will give feedback to medical representatives. Medical representative give that feedback to R&D team. R&D team, as per the feedback, they improve the quality of the medicine. For that logo, just search in the Google. You have to take logo of the take any one of the good image. In the application, enter the application name, enter description, upload logo. This logo should be less than 25 KB. 20 KB, maximum of 20 KB. If it is maximum of 20 KB, then only it will be loaded properly. You need to select the image which have max size of 20 KB. That size should be less than 20 KB or equal to 20 KB. Then here you have to select the theme. This logo color is like this. Try to get that color. Similar color, because it should not be like one is logo is some color, means it should be matched. That is our creativity. If you take any ICICI bank, if you open that, the entire theme is matches with logo color. See this logo color, and all these things are matched with, these colors are matched with logo color. So we need to understand this. See this. So I have selected some similar color to this. Then select this org theme options. Use the app's image and color instead of the org's custom theme. This should be matched with image and this color which we have selected. Just select that. Then click on next. So app launcher preview will come like this. Merck story plus, and this is the logo. This description comes like this. It is showing preview. Then click on next. You just select standard navigation. Select setup experience, setup full set of options. Select these things, first one. Then supported forms both desktop and phone. Here don't select anything. Just click on next. Select these options, first three options. Check those options, click on next. This utility item is, just click on default. These items are like charter feed, charter publishers, flows, so many things are there. We can see these things later. What are all these things? Just click on, select this default, click on next. Here you have to enter navigation items. Tabs are called as navigation items here. So I want campaigns. Select the, what is this? So add that campaigns, and I want to add leads. Contacts. Opportunities. Cases. Orders. So select these navigation items, then click on next. If you want to set the order, just select that, move this to top. I want orders here. You can select the navigation items, you can set the order, then click on next. Here I want to give for all profiles. These are the different profiles available in the application in the Salesforce. I want to select all these things. I want to select all profiles. This application should be visible to all the profiles. If you select all the profiles, this application will be visible to everybody. We have selected all the profiles. We will discuss it later about in detail about these profiles in the next sessions. For right now, you select all the profiles. Here we have different profiles like system administrator, standard user, read only. So many profiles are there. Then click on save and finish. So you will get application here now. Check. See this. You go to ending here. You just click on it. Here you can see edit and delete option. Because this is the custom application created by us, we can delete that application. If you take standard application, you will get only edit option, no delete option. You have customized this sales application to HDFC sales. See here only edit option is available because all these are standard applications. We can see application type as well. It is classic or lightning. We have created lightning application. That's why it is showing lightning here. We have modified this at 8:35 p.m. AM in USA today. See this description is available. Developer name, it came automatically. All these things are available. So where to see this application in app launcher? You go to app launcher and you can see that application as well. See, before this application was not available. Only 12 applications were available. I want to make it in the top. How we can make? Just drag and drop. So this application is visible at the top. Just click. See this. It came in the starting, right? This is how you can create the Lightning app. For that, we will write navigation steps now. How to create this app, what we have done here. For that, first you have to go to steps for creating Lightning app. First, go to setup. From the setup, quick find. In the quick find, type app manager. Go to app manager. Click on new Lightning app. Then enter application name. Developer name will be automatically given by Salesforce. Enter description of the application, what it will do. Short description you can enter. Select, download the image and select the image from your local system. Select default color tabs. And then select the checkbox so that application image color will be in uniform. Then click on next. This is the first window. It will go to next window. Here you select 3 options are available. Select those first, check those first options. In three. Leave that 4th options blank. Don't check those. Then click next. Here, no need to select anything in the utility items. Just click on next. In the next window, select navigation items. You can select campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, cases, and orders. Then you can set the order. Click on save. Save and finish. So here in the observation, a new custom application is created. We can access that application through app launcher and app manager. So this is how to create Lightning app, a simple Lightning app. When you join in the company, you might get this requirement. So you finish these following 4 assignments. You create custom application for online banking and create custom application for insurance company, create custom application for talent acquisition. You configure list view option for the case object. This is other assignment to create list view options. We have discussed in the previous session. This is all for today's session. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I am sending this class notes to you.